Hello everyone, welcome to Analyze Study Point. The JME Class 9 History Chapter 5 Beginning of the British Administration in Assam. Hey chapter long answer question 1 পৰা 6 লৈকে লৈ আনিছো। তো ভিডিওটি স্টার্ট কৰাৰ আগতে আমি সকলোকে কৈ বিচাৰিছো যে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। তো number 1, how was the revenue policy of David Scott discussed? During David Scott's tenure, a separate revenue system was established for Lower and Upper Assam. Scott kept the Parganas of Lower Assam. Each Parganas was kept under the supervision of a Chaudhary. Shrestadar, Tehbildar, Potuaris, and Thakurias were tasked with collecting revenue. For revenue collection, a separate unit comprised of Nagaon and Raha was formed. Guwahati was given jurisdiction over this unit. Aside from land revenue, Scott imposed professional taxes on various professions. Scott also taxed rent-free land such as Devotar, Brahmotar, and Dharmotar. Half of the tax, known as a contribution, was collected from this land. Land used for opium cultivation was heavily taxed. Lower Assam imposed a 2 rupee tax on each pike in exchanging for 3 puras of land. Aside from that, every male was required to pay a poll tax. Number 2, what steps were adopted in the matter of the judiciary during the time of David Scott? During his reign, some panchayat were formed with the local people to settle minor civil and criminal dispute. With this assistance of the panchayat, important cases were tried by the commissioner assistant. If someone was dissatisfied with the panchayat decision, they could file an appeal with the commissioner. David Scott entrusted the trial of important civil cases in Upper Assam to Lambodar Borphukan. The junior commissioner tried criminal cases. In Lower Assam, 2 civil court and 1 criminal court were established. David Scott also reformed the police system in Assam. He maintained cordial relation with the Muamoria and Singpho. As an efficient administrator, David Scott attained an honorable position in contemporary Assam is still remembered with regard. Number 3, how was the revenue administrator of Robertson? In 1832, T.C. Robertson was appointed as the agent to the Governor General Northeast Frontier and Commissioner of Rangpur, and he served till April 1834. He was also an efficient and able administrator. Under him, the Ahom monarchy was restored again, and he made many revenue, administrative, and judicial reform. He made the revenue reform in Assam and imposed land revenue tax. On the basis of the quality of land to stop the oppression, he also made records of the cultivator. He started the system of issuing patras to the cultivators. The riot paid land tax, capitation tax on houses in the Kamrup, Dorong, and Nagaon. Robertson also collected details of the lands, household, and forest and imposed tax on this. These riot were given receipt of the tax paid and copy of all the records were kept in for future references in collector's office. Robertson revenue system was useful for the riot. Question number 4. What were the steps adopted by Major Jenkins regarding the welfare of Assam? Captain Jenkins was the Commissioner of Assam and agent to the Governor General after T.C. Robertson. He made many efforts for the welfare of Assam. His name is associated with tea, coal, and oil industries. He abolished many checkpoints for free flow of Assam-Bengal trade relation. First steam ship sailed in Brahmaputra under him, and he paid attention for the transport and communication development. He established many English medium schools in Guwahati and Shivsagar to spread education. Number 5. How did Jenkins divided Assam into different districts? Jenkins strengthened the treasury of the government by reforming land settlement and collection of revenue. He divided Assam into many districts and the revenue units were named as Tangana and were placed under Fukon, Raskwa and the Borua and were assisted by Hazarika, Soikia and Boras. The Tenganis were later replaced by the Moza and managed by Mozarar. The aristocrats and the respected common people were appointed as Mozarar, which helped in reducing the class distinction in the Assam society. Number 6. Who was Tirot Singh? Why did he rise against the British? Tirot Singh was the chief of Khasi. The British did not help Tirot Singh in his dispute with the king of Rani. Rather, they stood for the king of Rani. That is why he raised himself against the British. In 1829, Tirot Singh with a band of Khasis attacked the British and killed 2 British officers. This led to a war between the Khasis and the British. বাকি কোয়েশ্চেন্সবোৰ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত লৈ আহিম। ধন্যবাদ।